Nothing in dentistry can beat the internal marketing opportunities for CAD/CAM digital dentistry. As dentists, we've made a crown a difficult procedure. It takes 2 visits, you have to have a goopy impression, you have to have a temporary, you have to wait 2 to 3 weeks, your insurance only covers half of it, etc., etc. Why should it be a difficult procedure for the patient? Unfortunately, we have become numb to the idea that this is a complex situation for the patient. This is because it is always required 2 visits, and it's always required an impression, temporaries, and so on. Well, with the power of one-visit dentistry, we can take all of those negatives, trash them, and deliver them in 1 visit. This is what we market and emphasize to the patient. This brings more value to them because they will value it more. Ask any of your patients if they would like to have their crown or onlay done in 1 visit or 2. What will they say? What if you needed a crown? What would you say? The internal marketing and increased perceived value starts with you and your team. Never ever lose the passion and excitement of delivering a crown in 1 visit. This is not a ho-hum experience. It is exciting for a patient to watch their crown being designed in the software or even being milled. Use this as an opportunity to build the value for the restoration. Everyone has smartphones today. When you see that the patient has engaged with the process, tell them what you are doing, why you are doing it, why it is important to them, and how you are customizing it exactly for their situation. Always ask if they want to watch their crown being milled. If they see the excitement in your eyes, they will gladly get up out of the operatory and go see the milling happen. At this moment in time, all of your attention should be on the patient and how this machine is custom making their restoration. Explain the milling process in detail and in a simple to understand fashion. Explain the touch process and why it happens. Before it starts cutting into the block, tell them to listen for the cuts. And when you hear it start to cut, explain to them that it cuts in such small slices, it could cut the human hair in 3 slices sideways. Tell them, don't ask to pull their phone out and to film that. If they can get about 15 seconds of milling time on their phone, you have now established an internal marketing video that will go with the patient for a long time. They may even post it on Facebook or send it in a text message to a friend complaining about their temporary coming off. Regardless, this is the best opportunity for internal marketing in a dental office. If you don't currently have CEREC, the next time you make a full arch impression that takes 4 minutes, tell your patients to film that and see what happens.